Metalleco customizes robotic workstations for welding excavator buckets for its customers. The robot welding system consists of FANUC welding robots, 3-axis gantry, and 2-axis skyhook type positioners. First, perform offline programming, then import the program, and finally start welding. System can achieve multi-axis collaborative welding by robots. X, Y, and Z 3-axis linkage. Long welding seam in one go. Quality, high-efficiency completion of fillet welds along curved paths in space. Customize your welding automation journey.